Hello Sushi lovers family, Namaste and greeting from Sushi and Santosh. In this Ebi Fry recipe, I'm gonna show you how to make crunchy and crispy deep fried breaded Nobashi, which is called also Japanese fried shrimp. If you wanna make best and perfect Ebi Fry tempura with Panko, this video will open the real secret about deep fried shrimp recipe, which is very simple so you can make it your home very easily. Okay, let's go. I have here the Nobashi, dry tempura. Also, I have here the tempura butter. For the normal deep fried sushi, we can use normal consistency tempura butter. But for this Japanese fried shrimp, Nobashi Ebi, I want to make a little more thickness for the tempura butter. So I am adding dry tempura and gonna mix it. Now you can see the consistency of the tempura butter is little more thickness, which I really like. And I have here the almonds. It's not toasted and fried, it is raw, and almond will give ultra crispy crust and perfect textures to the tempura. And it is the panko breadcrumbs, which will help to make our deep fried shrimp to make crunchy and won't go soggy quickly. Okay, I'm gonna mix almond with the panko and will mix it very well. Now time to make crispy Japanese fried shrimp with the panko. Okay, firstly I'm gonna coat Ebi with the dry tempura so it will give extra level of the crispiness and will accept more tempura butter so it can grab more panko and almond as well. Now dipped in the tempura butter and roll with mixed panko and almonds, as you can see on the video. Let's do same process for the rest of the Nobashi. Okay, now I'm gonna take out, as you can see on the video, tempura Ebi from the mixed panko. It is grabbing lots of panko and almond very well. Trust me, it will be really extra level of crunchiness. Now I'll do some process for the rest of the Nobashi tempura, okay? Yes, I finished the Nobashi Ebi with panko. Now time to do deep fried. For the frying oil, we can use vegetable oil. If you want extra aroma, you can mix it little sesame oil as well. Make temperature 170 degree to 174 degree Celsius and wait till this breaded Nobashi tempura became brown and crispy. Okay, finally my crispy Japanese fried shrimp is ready to serve. How is my ebi fry recipe? Please do comment, and I hope you will subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a good day.